Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got a Walmart grocery haul. This was $120 and it's super hot right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this haul going before things start to melt. I got chicken wings. I haven't been able to get them. They're like never there, so I did just grab one. I think they're starting to limit like one meat item, like specific, like for example, you could only get one wing, one ground beef, one chicken breast. So this is just what I needed to make for the week we're gonna grill them. So Purdue chicken wings. Cherries are coming out now. Super expensive, but I love them. So I got this bag here. It's like almost 2 pounds. It was like $6, I think. It was pretty expensive. Pollen season is in full effect here. So actually, something I wanted to mention, I usually like Kleenex tissues. And I definitely am like a tissue connoisseur because most of you guys know I have allergies, sinus problems that I've struggled and dealt with my whole life. So, a few weeks ago, they did not have Kleenex, so I had to get the Wal-Mart brand tissue, the Great Value brand, and I actually like them just as much as Kleenex. They're actually very similar and they're much cheaper. So I got 4 boxes, one for our bedroom, one for Grady's bedroom, one for the bathrooms. So we're fully stocked on tissues. I got some bananas, some cutting board oil because my husband is building cutting boards, filling the orders. You might even be able to hear him working in the background, so I apologize if there's any background noise. But he needs this cutting board oil to finish off the cutting board orders that we're going to be shipping out hopefully the end of this week. Strawberries, some tomatoes, some iceberg to put on BLTs and sandwiches and wraps. I got some Sabra roasted pine nut hummus. Love this. I also got this Folgers Noir Golden Dusk ground coffee. Since we're home now, we've been drinking a lot more coffee, so we've been like blowing through K-cups. So I thought we have a coffee pot that has the option for a pot or a single serve. So I figured we would just start using the ground coffee. We actually have been making pots, but we ran out of ground coffee. So we're going to try this one out. It looked pretty good. It was very inexpensive. I got rice-a-roni cheddar broccoli. I actually wanted chicken, but they didn't have any, so I had to improvise with cheddar broccoli. I love these pita chips. I've had the sea salt ones. These are the Parmesan cheese and basil, and I think they're going to be really good with this pine nut hummus and veggies and cheese and pepperoni. Alright, I forgot where I left off. I had to ask Matt to stop using his, it's like a certain machine that makes a ton of noise and it was driving me insane. Anyways, I think I left off on Pringles. I just got the lightly salted original. They're just as good and they're not obviously as salty. What else? Limes, because I've been doing cucumber lime water lately. Just a slice of lime, a slice of cucumber, and some ice water. It's really refreshing. Couple yogurts for my son, the Starburst Orange and the Blueberry Smooth. These are the only two they have in my Walmart right now that don't have any chunks of fruit. I got these Lysol toilet cleaner things. I've never tried these, but I thought they would just be good between cleanings because we clean our toilets once a week like most people. But I thought it would just be good to try out to keep them cleaner between cleanings. I got some Rana brand basil pesto. Love this stuff. Actually, it freezes well. I believe I've frozen these before because sometimes you just can't use the whole thing, and it has a pretty short shelf life if you don't use it all up. I got some Great Value vanilla caramel creamer for Matt. Again, we've been blowing through coffee like nobody's business. To go along with this pesto, I got this prosciutto and cheese tortellini. I thought it would be a good dinner one night with like a simple salad, or maybe just like tomatoes, cucumbers, basil, and some balsamic glaze. I got ciabatta rolls to use in my panini grill. We got the Bella brand panini grill a few weeks ago. I got Thomas bagels in cinnamon swirl and plain for Grady. He won't eat the cinnamon, and he's been having like a half a plain bagel with peanut butter or jelly or butter in the morning with fruit. For Matt, I got these Jimmy Dean Delights. This is the egg wedge, so there's no bread. It's bacon, spinach, caramelized onion, Parmesan, egg frittata with turkey sausage and cheese. It's just something different because he does like breakfast sandwiches in the morning. So hopefully those will be good and he will like them. I got some Jell-O brand whole milk vanilla pudding for Grady. He's actually been asking me for vanilla pudding. So I got that. The deli isn't open, but the deli has like pre-sliced packaged meats that they slice every morning. So I got this buffalo chicken or buffalo turkey. It's like a spicy peppered sliced turkey, which I'm going to use on the ciabatta paninis. We are all out of my son's peanut butter. He likes the honey roast creamy. He likes Peter Pan or Skippy brand. They did not have Skippy, so I got the Peter Pan, and he loves peanut butter sandwiches, peanut butter bagels, that kind of thing. So I picked that up. I'm gonna try this Friendly's brand cherry pie ice cream. It says it's like a vanilla ice cream, and it says it has pie crust pieces and tart cherry swirl. It just looked really good. So I got that. I got popsicles for my son. He likes these Outshine ones, which are made with real fruit juice, and it's got cherry, tangerine, and grape, and he really likes these, so I picked those up. I also got pierogies. I haven't been able to find them at Walmart, so today I grabbed a box of the loaded baked potato, and these are really easy to throw on the grill if you don't want to turn on your oven. I got some Screamin' Hot veggie straws. I'll probably regret getting these because I'm pretty sure they're going to be really hot. But the nice thing is, if they're too hot, I'll just give them to my brother because he likes super spicy things. But I don't know, they just look really good. I do like veggie straws. I usually like the ranch and the honey mustard, is it? But I thought those looked good. We needed the Clorox toilet one refills. We are actually, I think, down to our last one. And this box will last a while. It'll last, what, 10 weeks because we use 2 a week. So got the value size because it was a better bang for your buck. And then I also got Grady's little Danimal smoothies. These are like tiny little shooters that he has. He asks for one every morning. So I got those. And that's everything I picked up today. I'm going to share now my meal plan for the upcoming week. I had a whole bag that I missed. Sorry about that, guys. This bag had celery, cauliflower, romaine, whole carrots, Jimmy Dean Italian, I cannot talk today, Italian pork sausage, and the Ken's Simply Vinaigrette Greek, because I'm going to do a Greek pasta salad. So I had this sitting in my mudroom, and luckily I found it before it melted. But anyways, yeah, this was all included in today's haul as well, and my total was $124. So I'm going to share now my meal plan. Okay, so meal plan for the upcoming week. I'm trying to plan things that don't involve having to turn my oven on for a long, for a long period of time. And trying to kind of go a little bit light because the weather's warming up quite a bit. So one night we're going to grill chicken wings. I have some like different wing seasonings that I'm going to season them with and throw them on the grill. I'm going to do a tuna macaroni salad for my husband. I don't eat tuna, and he loves that salad. And the nice thing about salads is we can have them for lunches. So I'll do tuna macaroni salad for him, and then I'll do like a cowboy caviar type of salad, which if you don't know what that is, I do have a cooking video on it. It's a very common like summer salad with beans and corn. It's really tasty and light. So that'll be something I can also have for like lunches, or sometimes I like to scoop them with chips. So it'll be like a grilled item and 2 cold salads. With that Jimmy Dean Italian sausage I got, I'm going to make a sausage bean, like the white beans with veggies, in a pasta with pesto sauce. Super easy and light, and then again, it'll make extra for lunches. And then I'll do a salad on the side. I've got bacon to cook off, so I'm going to do BLT wraps with oven fries, veggies, and ranch to dip in. I'll just cut up like carrot, celery, and sweet peppers, bell peppers, and we'll dip them in ranch. I'm going to do taco salads one night. I've got ground beef and taco seasoning, so I'll just cook that off and put it on a bed of lettuce with a bunch of veggies, and then we'll just have chips and salsa on the side. I'm going to do a quiche one night. I'm going to maybe cook it in the morning before it gets hot. I'm going to do broccoli, ham, and cheese, and then I'll just reheat the quiche for dinner, and then we'll do some salad, so really easy dinner there. I'm going to do chicken lettuce wraps one night. I do have a video on that. This is a recipe I've been making for years. It's like a P.F. Chang's copycat. And then I'll do some fried veggie rice on the side. I've got rice, and then whatever veggies I can use up. Throw a couple eggs in there and we're good to go. And then I always have my freebie night, which you guys know, sometimes it's leftovers, sometimes it's breakfast for dinner, sometimes it's takeout, sometimes we go to my parents' house, my in-laws' house, something like that. But that's the meal plan for next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video.